What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jen Rodriguez. Today I am doing a very special video. I'm doing another beauty review. This time I am reviewing a brand new box called the Savy Skincare box.
So we fade in the rhythm.
Alright, you guys, so I'm going to give you the 411 on the Savy Skincare box. So this box was cultivated and created by Beauty by Nisi. She's a makeup artist and esthetician. She's also the owner of Skin 824 Beauty Lounge. So I am really excited about this box. She created it specifically for busy people, busy professionals, you know, anyone who has a hard time scheduling self-care on a regular basis, like me. It's a bi-monthly subscription. There's one item in each box from a small business, so she's really passionate about supporting small businesses, which I love. And then there's also going to be a theme of the month, so you get fresh new items every single month based on what's happening with that month and the theme. So I am really excited about that because I hate signing up for subscription boxes and getting the same thing every month. Like, why? Let me live out my life with the last box, right? So let's go ahead and open it up and see what's inside. Oh, yes, packaging. Yes. Oh, I love this. Oh, my Lanta girl, this is fabulous. Alright, you guys, so here's a little bit more information about the Savy Skincare box and what's included. This month's theme is Pamper My Skin, and it features simple and savvy skincare. It's a small business. So again, I love that she includes all that information. It came with a simple and savvy anti-aging ginger mask. They also have a skincare set that comes with a cleansing gel, balancing toner, and a vitamin-rich moisturizer. They also had jojoba bead polish that is really good for polishing the skin. So I'm really excited to get back into this because, you know, I'm an exfoliation fanatic and it looks nice and gentle. So I'm really excited to give that a try. It also came with a pair of repairing gloves and socks. So both the gloves and socks have coconut oil, milk extract, and hyaluronic acid in it. So it's really gonna help soften your hands and feet. Y'all know I am all about that. So I cannot wait to get into this. And of course, it came with a few extra goodies too. Alright, you guys, so those are the items that are included in this month's box. I am excited, and this box came like right on time because I'm going on vacation and I need my body and my hands and my feet to be vacation ready, especially in the open toe weather I'm about to enter into. So I don't know about you, but with everything going on with COVID and all that, like all the hand washing, that will not stop. But it's like definitely had an effect on my hands. Like I feel like my hands are moisturized, but no matter how much I moisturize them, they kind of end up like this. Kind of like just crusty still, and I can't be having that. So I'm gonna be definitely trying out the repairing gloves today, and I'm also gonna try out the repairing socks so that my feet are in condition. They're in order for that open toe weather. So gonna give these a try. Basically, I just put the gloves on and the socks on. I let them sit for 20 minutes and then I just remove and massage. So let's try it out. Easy. I feel like you gotta have the self-care bow when you're doing self-care. Who knows, y'all? That's as far as I'm getting today. Okay, as far as I'm getting. We're just doing the hands and feet, girl. We're just doing the hands and feet. right, you guys, that's my video for today. My makeup is melting. So I'm gonna go ahead and head out of here. My hands and feet feel absolutely amazing. Thank you again, Beauty by Nisi, my girl Nisi. Congratulations on the Selfish Care box. I am really excited to just get into it and see what every month is about. Everything in here I will be using throughout the month and kind of between subscriptions. So make sure you tune in to kind of see how the skincare works. But I'm telling y'all, this feet and hand stuff was absolutely amazing. My toes are ready for a little sand. So I'm gonna get out of here so I can get some rest. Make sure you guys subscribe, and I will chat with you again soon. Bye.